Good morning everyone. Panchal Academy present online lecture of class 6 social science part first. Here chapter with us, chapter number 2, the lives of hunter-gatherers. How the hunter-gatherers live, how they survive, that we will study in this chapter. So here is our first topic, the earliest people and their way of life. Earliest people, the people who comes early and their way of life, how they are surviving. First point, early human hunted animals and collect wild plants for food. Wild plants for food. Okay. So the early women hunt animals and collect wild plants for food. They are also humans before. Earlier, what they do? They hunt the animals and collect the wild plants for eating as a food. Achha, their life consists of, come to the second point here with me. Life consists of collecting fruits, seeds, leaves, animals and birds for food and killing them with some stone tools. Because at the time of the earlier there was no any instruments or no modern facilities was there. So what they used stone tools. Stone पत्थर से बने हुए tools they use for what? For collecting food, seeds, leaves, animals and birds. Last point. The lifespan of early human was short. What do you mean by the lifespan? The time period during which they alive. So most die before 35 years of age. Most early people die before 35 years of age. Why? Because of they don't have any facility, because of cold climate conditions or diseases. They are not able to survive on this land for the longer period of time. Okay, some more few points not written here. They learn to use tail signs such as footprints or broken branches to hunt down animals. Moving to next slides. Their movement depended on the availability of water in the rivers. Their movements. To whom they are talking? Humans, wild animals, early humans, hunter-gatherers. Their movement depends on the availability of water in the rivers. Definitely the hunter-gatherers, the humans, early humans, they will move toward where the water will be available nearby the rivers for drinking the water. Next point. If they did not move, the plants and animal resources finish off in that place. If they did not move, if the early humans, hunter-gatherers, they not move, the plant and animal resources finish off in that place. They will not be available at one place, so they have to move on for getting those. Right? Next point. They moved according to the seasonal availability of plants bearing fruit. They moved according to seasonal availability of plants bearing fruit. As they also know that as the season change, how to get the food. So their movement will be according to the seasonal basis. Clear? Next. Animal moved in search of food. So human had to follow them to hunt them for food. Animals moved in search of food. those who are the animals moved in search of food. So human had to follow them. Why? To hunt them for food. To hunt them for food. So actually the animals, where the animals is going for the food, humans what do? They follow the animals for hunting them. This is the life of hunter-gatherers, early humans. Now, moving to the next topic, how do we know about these people? How do we know about these people? How should we know about these people? Let's see. The early human made simple things using material found in nature. They made, see here on the presentation, they made simple things using material found in nature. They made simple things. What are the simple things they have made? So we can know about them. Till yet, they used wood, bones to make simple tools. Means they are using bones and wood to make the simple tools. Last point. Making tools here. Last point. Making tools required time, effort, skill and passion. At the early time, there was no any machinery, modern equipment, infrastructures, and not so much engineering work was there. So they take a lot of time, effort, skill. Skills is also needed today, but at that time there is more was needed because there was nothing invention was there. Whatever the work they have to do by their own hand without using anything. So they are just using the wood, bones and stones for making simple tools. Many stone tools belonging to this period have been discovered by the archaeologists. There was advancement in the life of early humans because with the help of this tool they would perform some tasks easily and also protect themselves from the wild animals. This is how we know these people. Stone tools were used to kill animals, to scrape the animal skin, dig root, chop meat and fruits. So what we have studied here about the early peoples. In the next slide, okay, this much is in the first slide. This is in the first slide. In second part, we will see some pictures. We will see through some video, through pictures, we will understand early humans. We will see various caves made by early humans. How the hunter-gatherers look at that time. How the early humans using fire to keep warm. That we also study in the next part. And different types of stone tools they used by them for hunting will be studied by us in our next part. This is the half part lecture, okay? Half we will cover in our next part. So what you have to do is go through your book and read it at once. Okay? So this is the lives of hunter-gatherer, chapter number 2. Thank you to all.